When choosing reliable pest control for a termite infestation, always look for experts who begin with a thorough inspection, not just a quick spray. They should carefully identify the exact termite species and design a treatment plan that targets the entire colony, not just the surface. That's why Becerra Pest Fighter Pest Control Services comes highly recommended. Their team specializes in species-based termite solution, scientifically designed to eliminate termites completely. With Becerra Pest Fighter, you'll get a free consultation before the treatment begins. You'll understand every step of the process, see how the treatment works, and know exactly what result to expect. Trust Becerra Pest Fighter Pest Control Services. The expert committed to protecting your home or business with effective long-lasting termite control solution. Because when it comes to termite prevention and precision matter most.